Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to make money from the stock market using XRP, one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market. If you're looking to invest in the stock market, XRP could be a great option for you. In this video, we'll be sharing the best tips and tricks to help you maximize your profits and minimize your risks when trading XRP on the stock market. Understand the basics of the stock market. Before we dive into XRP specifically, it's important to understand the basics of the stock market. The stock market is a complex system that involves buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. Investors buy shares in the hopes that the company will perform well, and the share price will increase, allowing them to sell their shares for a profit. When it comes to trading XRP on the stock market, the same principles apply. You'll be buying and selling shares of XRP in the hopes that its value will increase, allowing you to sell for a profit. However, there are some unique factors that come into play when trading cryptocurrencies on the stock market. Do your research. One of the most important things to do when trading XRP on the stock market is to do your research. This means keeping up with the latest news and developments surrounding XRP and the wider cryptocurrency market. You should also familiarize yourself with the technical aspects of trading, such as chart analysis and risk management. It's also important to research the companies that are involved in the XRP ecosystem. Ripple, the company that created XRP, is a major player in the cryptocurrency industry, and its partnerships and developments can have a significant impact on the value of XRP. Set realistic goals. Another key factor to consider when trading XRP on the stock market is setting realistic goals. It's important to have a clear understanding of what you hope to achieve through your trading activities, and to set achievable goals for yourself. For example, instead of aiming to become a millionaire overnight, you might set a goal of earning a certain percentage return on your investment over a period of months or years. This can help you stay focused and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Use technical analysis. Technical analysis is a key tool used by traders to predict future market trends. This involves analyzing charts and other technical indicators to identify patterns and make predictions about the direction of the market. When trading XRP on the stock market, it's important to use technical analysis to your advantage. By keeping an eye on trends and patterns, you can make more informed decisions about when to buy and sell XRP shares. Consider diversifying your portfolio. Finally, it's important to consider diversifying your portfolio when trading XRP on the stock market. This means investing in a range of different assets to reduce your risk exposure. While XRP can be a great investment opportunity, it's important to remember that it's just one asset among many. By diversifying your portfolio, you can spread your risk and increase your chances of earning a stable return on your investment. Conclusion. In conclusion, trading XRP on the stock market can be a great way to earn money. However, it's important to approach it with caution and do your research before investing. By setting realistic goals, using technical analysis, and diversifying your portfolio, you can maximize your profits and minimize your risks when trading XRP on the stock market. Thanks for watching.